Hello guys, so my name is Vishwas Aita, and for today's problem for geek is medium. Okay, so problem name is next greatest element. Okay, so we are given an array of size n having a distinct element. So what is the first rule? So no element are similar. Okay, the task is to find the greatest element for each element of an array in order of the appearance in the array. So I make okay, got it. Next greatest element of an element is an array is the nearest element of the right which is greater than the current element. So this is the rule 2. It does not exist, if there does not exist next greater or current element, then the next greater element for the current element is -1. If it does not exist, then we will put this place as -1. For example, the next greater for the last element will be always 1. Okay, let's understand the problem with an example. So here, let's say we will change this guy. In the given example, what we have to do here, what is the rule 2 here? So next greater element of an element in the array, so we have to find the next greater than this guy. So what is there any element next to him which is greater than 1? Yeah, we have, that is 3. So first element for this is 3. Now we'll go for this second test. Is there any element greater than 3 here in this right side? There is 2 here. It is not greater than 3. We have 4 here, so we have to put 4 here. After that, we will go for 2. Is there any greater element than 2 in right side? We do have, which is 4. So another 4 will be there. Now for last element, what is the third rule here? For example, the next greater for always the last element will be -1. So this is the output for the first example. Let's see. Yeah, we are getting 3, 4, 4 and 1. Okay, let's search for second example. It will be understand more clearly. So if there is 6, what is the first index? It is 6. We have to find the largest element. So now 8 will be there. And for second index is there is any digit which is greater than in right side is greater than 8? No. So what we have to do? We have to do, if we can't find any greater, we have to say -1. So next element is 0. So we have to check, is any element greater than 0? Yeah, we do have, that is 1. Now for 1, do we have any element which is greater than 1 in right side? We do have, that is 3. And for last element, it is -1. Do we get the same answer here? 8 -1, 1, 3 and -1. So we are getting the right answer. So we understood the problem here. Now we have to solve it. How can we solve this problem? So we can use here, what we can use here? We can use stack here. And what will be the variable inside them? It will be long, right? It will be long, and we will name them as a stack only. It will be for simplicity, new stack. Yes, done. Then what we have to do? What we have to give output here? We have to give an array long. So array of long. So we will have long array of answer, new long. And what will be the length of this array? What will be the length of this array? So let's see what was here. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 5. What was the length of this? 1 2 3 4 5. It will be same as the array, so we'll put as n here. We got n here from here. Okay, we got this. Now what we have to do here, we have to add -1 at the last. We'll iterate from last till first, so we always know the last digit will be minus. So what we will do here, we will add here, we will push -1. We will push -1. After that we have to iterate the array from the last, from I will be equal to n minus 1 I is less than or equal to 0 and I will be plus plus. Now what we have to do, we have to check why the stack size is not equal to 1. If it is equal to 1, then we have to just pick the answer. I will say what we will do that. We will try run this, so no need to worry if you didn't understand this. So and what else you have to check, when we have to stop this while loop, when we find the element which is lesser than the stack pick. So let's see what is that. Stack pick which is lesser than or equal to array of I. Okay, now what we have to do here, we have to just pop out till we reach, we will get pop, we will pop it, stack dot pop. Okay, this is done. Now while loop is done here. Now what we have to do here, we have to initialize the answer whatever we got. Answer of I will be equal to how much? Will be stack dot pick, the last digit. And we have to add also for stack dot push. What will we add? We will add array of I, right? Now after finishing this for loop, we have to just return the answer. Let's compile and see. We're getting some. Okay, we have to use a bit longer. Pick. Okay. And what for this? This is long. Okay, we have to typecast this guy. Long. Okay. Now we are getting this hash out of bound. Why we are getting out of bound? Which equation? Oh, we have to do minus, right? Oh, sorry. It's general habit. Yes, now it's coming output. Let's submit and see. Let's submit. If it is time error is coming. If time error is coming, we have to use another approach. Yes, it's getting test cast is filled. Okay, so just we dry run this code. So now we will just copy this code and we will paste in IntelliJ. After pasting it, so where we have to see from the code run, so we have to see from here. Just do debugging from here. Let's see each steps of how we got the output here. So let's go down. Now we will check the size is equal to, now we will initialize the long array. After we will then push the -1 and the size will be of stack size will be 1. That will iterate to the array then it will check if the size is not equal to 1 and the size is big is less than or equal to array of I, but the size is equal to 1, so it will skip this while loop and it will go down. The answer we have to say the last, it will change the value of the last digit. We have to go from last. So here the answer will be updated to 0 0 0 and minus 1. So here it's got updated 0 0 0 and minus 1, and we have to push the array of I. So it will get pushed array of I. Now it will go for another iteration for I is equal to 2. Now it will check if the size is not equal to 1. The size is not equal to 1 because the size is equal to 2. So it will check if the stack.pick is less than or more than of array of I. So it is not equal to, then it will pass this array of stack and it will remove. It will initialize this array as the new one. So now it is become 4. If it was less than, it will just pop the array and it will give the minus 1. So now what we have to do, we have to just go for another iteration, I equal to 2. So it will go I equal to 2 here. Then we will check the size is equal to 3 here. It is false. Then it will check for array of I is less than or equal to pick. So let's see, it is less than or equal to pick, so it will pop the 3 and it will go check again. So if it is now, so it will go, it is more than this one, so it will just initialize the answer has now 4. Now just he will push this one. Now it will do same, it will check for this and it will initialize the answer. After that it will go for the last one and it will return this one. The answer is 3 4 4 and minus 1, and that only we got answer here. Stop and run. So we got answer as, which is we have to output. Let's do debug only from here. I will make it 10. I will say long k equal to this guy. Then I will iterate to the array. Array of k of I.
I didn't catch that.
Let's see. It will now show us this one. So we're getting 3 4 4 and minus 1. Do we get the same answer here? 3 4 4 and minus 1. So the code is running successfully and it got passed also. If you have any question regarding this code, please do mention in the comment. I will do help you. And if you like my video, please do like and do comment. And if you need any improvement, just do comment also. I will just look into it and I will improve myself. And if I'm pleased to subscribe to my channel. 1K is a target. I'm hoping to get in 2 months. It will do great. Chalo, see you. Bye.